As Norway continues to focus on zero-emission vehicles, to meet its climate change goals, it is now pursuing a new high-speed hydrogen fuel cell boat project that will represent a first in the world. This will add to the furthering of its decarbonization of the maritime industry in the country. Norway has set a 2026 goal of allowing only zero-emission ferries and cruise ships near its World Heritage fjords. This is a component of its wider 2030 goal of slashing its emissions in half, when compared to 1990 levels. It suggests that all boat manufacturers intending to operate their vehicles in or near the fjords will need to switch to emission-free propulsion systems, without sacrificing the performance of the vessels. As a part of this effort, a new high-speed hydrogen fuel cell boat project has been launched. It involves the participation of 8 partners, and will represent one of the first in the world. Clean technology company, Teco 2030, the Port of Narvik, and a number of other partners intend to replace one of their diesel vessels with a newly built zero-emission model powered by H2, the propulsion system of which will be produced by Teco. The boat itself will be built by Gruffjord Mekanisk Verksted shipyard, near Narvik. That boat will be able to reach 23 knots, and is slated to be completed by 2023. The port will primarily use the vessel for training, monitoring, and emergency operations. Along with the hydrogen fuel cell boat, there will also be an H2 fueling station developed by Everfuel. Everfuel will be developing an H2 fueling station that will be used by the new high-speed vessel. That company is already constructing stations for heavy-duty vehicles throughout the country. The new station for the boat will be unique, in that it will be the first in the world that will be usable by both heavy-duty vehicles on land and by ships. As more than 500 trucks travel through Narvik every day, making H2 fueling available to them will become a strategic asset for zero-emission transportation in the country. The goal is to use it to accelerate the area's transition toward zero-emission shipping. The hydrogen fuel cell technology used in the vessel will be made by Teco 2030, which is already in the midst of developing an innovation center that will serve as both a research facility and a factory. Thank you for picking hydrogenfuelnews.com. Don't miss your free access to our exclusive ebook, just sign up today. Follow this story and more on HFN.